My name is Sasha Saviko. The chicken wings and the fries were good. I guess the crabs were good since everybody liked it. And the chicken wings are good, and the fries were flavor, not like they're bland. And yeah, that's it.